So just for the record, guys, my wife isn't the biggest fan of seafood, nor is she the biggest fan of fish. So every time I do a fish catch and cook, she has to put her fake face on.
Next time, maybe you can cut the tail off.
Today we're going to be hunting for trout. And when I say hunting, we're going to be hunting. I don't know where they're at. You know, they stock the local parks and no one really knows exactly when they're going to stock. So it's just about chasing trucks, and that's just part of the local trout fishing culture. And so today, I don't have any hot tips. I have, you know, the DFG website and the county website telling me where they might be stocking. But other than that, I don't know where. So I'm going to be hopping from park to park, and I'm going to try to hit as many parks as possible until we can find where hopefully they have planted recently. So it's Wednesday, right smack in the middle of the day. It's 11:36 a.m. And if we do catch some trout, I'm gonna try a catch and cook and make something that I've personally never made before. It's gonna be a spicy Korean fish stew. If you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. As always, tie lines. All right, we're rolling in here to our first spot, and it's Knabe Park, maybe better known as Cerritos Regional. I think they already planted here last week. I don't know. But one of the first things I look for when chasing trout stocks is to see if anyone's fishing. And right as I pull in here, I don't see anybody, which means more than likely they already planted and it's already fished out. I see one individual, but there's really nothing going on here. Yeah, usually if they have planted like the previous day or the day of, you'll know, because there are people that'll be kind of shoulder to shoulder chasing these guys. So I don't see anything here. Doesn't mean that they're not here, but I kind of don't want to waste my time with these local parks. Really, you got to get there within the first 24 to 48 hours. Otherwise, the fishing is more than likely going to be quite a grind. These places get fished out really quick. So, yeah, so that's my rationale for not stopping here. It's the closest park to me, maybe 10 minutes away from my house. So it was my logical first place to peek my head into. But we'll go somewhere else. Stay tuned. All right, we're at our new stop. Craig Regional Park. And I am hoping and get the feeling that this will be maybe my only stop left for today, because little birdie just told me that they literally just planted like in the past hour. This is gonna be my next stop anyways, but looks like it might be working out. So we're gonna pull in here and hopefully we can get on some fish, but we'll see. All right, guys, we're locked and loaded. Gonna be throwing a 2-pound test on a 1000 Daiwa Fuego LT, a little 1/32 ounce jig head with a little mini jig. But hopefully we can get on some trout today. If they just planted, I'm hoping for the rest of the afternoon the bite will pick up, and we'll have a good little session. So at the end of the day, we're just gonna have some fun, and hopefully we can make a good episode. Let's go. All right, guys, time is 12:30. And let's see if we can get a bite. As you can see, there's a lot of lines out in the water. So we're gonna see if we can find them around here somewhere. Taking a big fat skunk, watching you guys catch it every cast, dude. I don't think it's a spot though. I think it's me.
What are you throwing?
I think it's a yellow and white.
They're about to leave. Just keep following the road down. Keep following the road down. Oh no, you can keep walking down. You can keep driving down.
There we go. Finally, jeez. Small one, but I'll take it.
How long have you been here?
Like since 11:30 or 12:30. I mean, I was fishing all the way over there at the edge. So.
A lot F. What a lot F. Yeah.
Alright guys, got my first one. It's a little pan size, but I'll take it, given the way it's been for me.
Yep. Back to back. Got it.
All right, so now I feel a little better about myself. Thought it was me. Mind if I borrow your net?
Oh, go ahead.
Thank you. I have mine on my backpack, but this one's a better size stalker.
Did you eat the trout?
If with these ones, I think I'm gonna try to make like a Korean stew, like a spicy fish stew. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
I never tried.
But
You mind doing a double when you're done now?
yeah,
I was gonna
get that out.
Oh yeah, dude.
That's a good one. It's fatty.
Oh hell yeah, really, Agent? Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah, but my squeeze you, man. Can I borrow your net?
Absolutely. Here.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, you got it. Cool. Feisty.
Maybe not.
Oh, it's a good one, man.
Because right here too, they follow it the whole way. It's like, oh, they'll be gone by tomorrow. There we go. No,
Small one. It's number 3. We'll let this one go. Small. Try to keep only the small ones.
And the pandemic made everybody fishing.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, that was a horrible cast. I'm gonna trust anybody.
This guy's a feisty one. Small and feisty. Jeez.
Oh, it's like a mini hook shell too.
Yeah. Did I snag him?
No.
I mean, he definitely bit. Oh yeah, he got him in the jaw. Let this guy go. There we go.
There you go.
It's been a long time.
Going now.
You caught a 5-pounder?
Yeah.
Today? Yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah,
It's,
and then the next day we went, and our buddy Ed just got another 5-pounder. Hey, I never seen trout that big in my life. That's a nice one.
it's okay. Yeah. Okay, got another one.
Probably survived. And you hit? Got him by the hook, brother. Hit it hard? Hit you hard?
Oh, got bit.
Hit it.
Yeah, he hit it.
Adrian,
There we go. Back-to-back cast, guys. It's a small little one.
I have like a regular dry fly and have
So we'll let the smaller ones go and see if we can catch a nicer one. Got this guy.
We were like we were throwing flies. Yeah, on
This guy hit on the mini jig. Second straight cast on this one. We'll let this guy go.
Do you have a YouTube channel? No, not.
I do.
You post all your surf fishing videos?
Yeah, I mean, I started my channel with surf fishing, but I'm trying to like expand to offshore, freshwater. It's my first and last name, Benjie Kim Fishing.
Oh, you're Benjie?
Yeah.
Hey, you Benjie? Benjie Kim?
Yeah.
I'm in the California Surf Anglers group.
Oh, you are cool.
Yeah, and I follow you on YouTube. I was like, hey.
Oh, dude, sweet, man.
For sure, though.
Uh,
I was like, you look really familiar.
Yeah,
Like,
I actually did think about it. You do look familiar.
It's gotta be him. That's cool, man.
What's your name? What's your name? Jordan?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I just saw your last video on the skiff.
Oh, yeah. So I made this is a Korean dish. It's a Korean spicy fish stew. In Korean we call it Maeuntang. And this is my first time making it. I've, funny thing is, this is more of a classic Korean meal for us that we eat. And these guys obviously have never been to Korea. They don't even understand Korean. And I've only been to Korea for 1 day, and that was only for 8 hours on a layover. So I'm a second generation Korean, but Korean food is true soul food for me, and this is a true soul food dish. So I didn't make it too spicy because I really like I like sweating when I eat spicy food. I like the spicy the better. These guys are still learning, but they're getting better at it, at eating the spicy stuff too.
Dad, it's not learning, it's adapting.
It's adapting. Look at that vocabulary. Awesome job, man. I'm really proud of the work that you did. I was hard on you today, huh? But you pulled through and you stepped up to the plate. We're gonna go ahead and try this out. So look at this. Nice and cooked. It's got the pink meat. And I'm gonna scoop this over here. Got the tofu. And these are Korean radish. And in Korean we call it bu. So Amelia, can you bless us with our family prayer?
Okay.
Amen. All right, so I'm gonna have you guys taste it first, and taste a little bit of the fish.
Good.
It's good. Are you gonna try my stew?
Mm-hmm. Looks so good.
My wife is the most inauthentic on camera. How would you rate this stew, Kev?
Good.
Like on a scale of 1 to 5.
4.5.
4.5. Is this better than my average cooking?
Yeah.
It is. Oh, interesting. What do you say, babe?
Perfect for a rainy day. It's really good. It's
really good.
It's perfect. It's hearty.
Can you taste the fish and tell me?
Let me taste the fish.
Oh, I love my wife.
It's very tender and light.
Yeah. So just for the record, guys, my wife isn't the biggest fan of seafood, nor is she the biggest fan of fish. So every time I do a fish catch and cook, she has to put her fake face on. So she's gonna go ahead and put the tail back.
I just feel weird about having fish body parts in my soup. Look at this. Next time maybe you can cut the tail off.
All right, so gonna give it a taste, and the chef will give a. I'm not a cook, but I'm the cook in this house. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. And we've got the nice pink meat, and we'll give it a taste. Turned out really nice. I learned about eating rainbow trout this way when I was a kid, and my parents used to like to make this dish. And typically you make it with snapper and other things, but rainbow trout goes really well with this spicy fish stew. So for some of you guys, if you want to try it out, I'll leave the recipe I left below if you want to give it a shot. But it's the fish texture and the taste of the fish just matches really well with that stew. So super stoked, man. I just want to share my life with you guys and what we are. I'm probably a little bit nicer on these videos. Would that be agreed? Yeah. but this is who we are, pretty much. And so I just want to share this with you guys. And just want to invite you into my house. Thank you guys so much just for watching the video. It just means so much to me. And we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this meal. So until next time, guys. What do I say?
Enjoy.
No, see, wait.
Enjoy.
Wait, what is it? It's tight lines.
So until next time, tie lines.
No.